Ah, so that's the one you wanna show Kinsey Napoles. Yeah, kasi boy, that's the one I want to tell Kinsey Napoles yung laro ko. Kasi boy, I told Kinsey last time, this is how I do it. Ah, alam ko na. So, ibig sabihin, ito, you're gonna show Kinsey how you're gonna do it. How you're gonna do the game plan. Yes po. And then I'm using this other phone here to record whatever happens. Ah, okay. So, ibig sabihin, this one, you should have, done this with, Brother Delwin. Kaya lang, di ba, remember what happened when you tried to play this Brother Delwin? Ayaw, di ba? But luckily, buti nga talaga, Brother Delwin still came back for you so that you can, anong tawag dyan? Finish your routine or your gameplay. Di ba? And now that the gameplay has already been done, we don't need to, we don't need to play na anymore dahil, di ba, sabi ko, kung meron na tayo. So, and now you're just doing it again because yung nga, dahil what you call is, what if lang talaga if si, wala si Brother Delwin, di ba? True, kung wala talaga si Brother Delwin, ganoon talaga yung ugali ko eh. I'm gonna have to do this. Pero it's very, very hard eh. Kasi nga what you call this, if in case lang. No, kasi nga what you call this, kung nandito si Brother Delwin, we could have done it already in the church. Pero, what's the problem? Actually, okay naman yung game flow, di ba? The game flow was already okay. Kaya lang, yung nga, di ba remember, kasi nga si JM I don't trust JM na talaga. Kaya one day, may have to bad finger him. Don't do that. Alam ko na dahil wait, paano nagsarado yung phone mo? Di ba remember you were holding the phone? Who's holding the phone? Si JM? Oo. May takawa siya ng phone eh. He was the one who hold the phone on my behalf eh. I told him to hold on to the phone so that I can teach, so that I can show Brother Dylan and then I can, hold the phone because this is a major project. Ah, okay. So yun. And then that's how you play na. Yes po. Then after I beat out one of the girls here. Ah, so you're gonna play again so that you can see if you can get a better record. Yes po, so that if in case nang kung wala talaga si Brother Delwin. Yun nga. Ah, okay. So yun talaga yung nangyari. And then if I were to play with Brother Delwin, I can tell him the whole truth that the jet is supposed to be Jackie's. Kaya naman, Cholis, I cannot play with Jackie's dahil what Cholis, ang buwisit si Teacher May eh. Alam ko na, kasi nga, di ba remember sa graduation day, di ba remember, Quincy, yung nag-graduation kami, di ba? Remember our graduation with two mothers, one father. Sino yung my father? Ako, di ba? Yeah, kasi po the graduation, di ba? You're with your mother, June is with his mother, then I'm with the father lang. Ako lang talaga yung may tatay. Ibig sabihin, yung nag-graduation kami, all the graduating students are having their mothers. While the one boy here is with his father, di ba? Di ba? Do you still remember that, bro? Yung nag-graduation po kami. Nala mo yun, di ba?
Oh, yung June, ako.
Kasi nga what you all this, June, Kingsley, me. We were graduating students that time eh. Nalo ko talaga kasi yung kwento na yun eh.
2019. Halos.
Yeah, kasi remember talaga noong 2019, after that, I thought kasi I can perform this game to people eh. Yun pala, we have to still stay for picture taking. Grabe naman talaga si Charmaine. Yeah, kasi nga remember talaga in the first place, we thought kasi we're allowed to do whatever we want. But what we do not know is that we have to take picture first. And graduation's picture day. We cannot game. And also, we know that gaming can be done even outside graduation. Kaso, ang problema lang talaga, yung nga, this is the only moment you're going to meet Jackies. Kaso, si Teacher May, sabi niya, hindi pwede. Luckily, we got another potential plan. Di ba remember may backup plan na tayo? Yeah, if not Jackies, pwede naman kay Ralph eh. Kaya lang what you kay Ralph, he did not understand the game eh. Malabo tayo. Na-backward tayo dahil kay Ralph eh. Ah, okay. Ah, so ibig sabihin, that's exactly how you're gonna play with Brother Delwin if you were there. Yeah, that's exactly how it's gonna happen eh. If in case lang talaga, we're not able to play with with Brother Delwin. So that's how the game flow is like. And I remember talaga when I played with Brother Delwin, nag-bomb ako ito eh. I bombed the giant even though it's just solo. But now I don't need to bomb anymore. Ah, okay. Then after that, there's the overtaking hyperjet. Then you move your head around. Yes po, yun po talaga yung totoo eh. Ah, okay. So yun. Then after that, pagdating na talaga dito sa Brother Delwin, we have to go na eh. Then si JM pa nagsarado eh. Buti nga ito. And I thought kasi something bad happened to my phone. Yun pala talaga, it's just that it was napindot ng by mistake. Yeah, although I know talaga it's not on accident, it was on purpose. Because he just did it on purpose para matapos na. Pero in reality, we're just almost done na with the level. Okay. So, yun na talaga yung grand finale mo. And dapat when you reach this point po, I remember talaga, I want to finish it na eh. Tapos, pagdating na dito, I want to beat na all the 4 Miss eh. And because this is taking too long, and Brother Del needs to go home na, that's why I said to myself, I want to bomb na para matapos na. But here, I don't need to bomb. Kasi nga, it's very easy lang to beat all the boats eh. At yun lang, that's it. So ibig sabihin, you're gaming now with Kingsley. Para what you call this, ibig sabihin, yung nga, in case lang talagang wala si Brother Delvin,